Assalamu alaikum. This is our GSM based fire alarm system. We have used here an ATMEGA32 LCD monitor. This is our GSM module, and this is buzzer. We have three sensors: a temperature sensor, a smoke sensor, and the two are flame sensors. But if any of these three sensors detect fire, the buzzer will on and a SMS will be sent to mobile. Well, let's start our system. On the LCD here, it is showing the current temperature, and it is indicating that current temperature is 30.3 degrees centigrade. Now, if we give it a fire, then it will take some time, and after that it will give us alarm and a message will be sent. Okay. Here. Well, the buzzer has been on and a message has been sent. Here, show this. Well, thank you very much.